Shark meshing is a barrier of net in the water across beaches in sections. It is not designed as a completed barrier, only to deter sharks from establishing territory within high-use beaches where people are known to swim. The aim is to provide swimmers and surfers a safer environment. The meshing program has been effective in reducing the risk of shark attacks to swimmers. However, this practice has been shown to impact on threatened species. So Dr. Snow, is the shark meshing program effective?
Well, yes, shark meshing is seen to be effective in the way it has shown to be reducing the numbers of fatalities to humans. Although regarded as effective for lowering the potential of shark attacks to humans, shark meshing is also seen to be a threat to other aquatic species that live near the nets, as it has been recorded that over the period of 5 months, 189 animals were found caught in the meshing. Of these 189 animals, 145 were a threatened species, protected species, or non-targeted species.
Very interesting. And do you think the program is sustainable?
No, they're not sustainable as the mesh nets are not selective. Many species, not only sharks, are affected by these nets. Many of these species are protected, such as dolphins, whales, and dugongs. Some species, such as sea turtles, are endangered, as are many species of sharks. Large sharks are slow to reproduce, have very few young, and may not breed every year. Shark meshing program nets contribute to endangering many species and are not a sustainable practice.
Okay, thank you very much.
On the New South Wales coastline, nets line 250 kilometres on 51 beaches. Then Environment Minister Ian McDonald called the nets highly successful, yet the report of shark bite incidents from 1937 to 2008 showed that of the 38 shark attacks recorded in the state, 24 of them, or 63%, took place at netted beaches with 14 injuries. The shark meshing program has had a largely negative effect on shark populations, with numbers of caught sharks dropping from 1,500 in 1937 to 95 in 1947. It was also noted that a large proportion, up to 89% of some species caught, were female. An alternate theory as to why not as many sharks were caught is that they have learned to avoid the net, but this is not currently supported. It is highly likely that the shark meshing program has had a direct effect on the local shark populations, causing their decline. Shark meshing program adversely affects 2 endangered species by the Fisheries Managing Act 1994.
Other species often caught include dugongs, loggerhead turtles, which are endangered, green turtles, leatherback turtles, humpback whales, and fur seals, which are classed as vulnerable under the New South Wales Threatened Species Conservation Act of 1995. The Environmental Protection and Biodiversity Conservation Act of 1999 lists loggerhead turtles as endangered and the green turtle and leatherback turtle as vulnerable. In light of these previous statements, the Fisheries Scientific Committee is of the opinion that the current shark meshing program in New South Wales waters adversely affects 2 or more threatened species, populations, or ecological communities, and could cause species, populations, or ecological communities that are not threatened to become threatened. Therefore, this process qualifies as a key threatening process.